Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown here again with another actionable tip. Now, I want to show you something here. I'm driving to my home and I want to show you something that could potentially make this clear for you how the wealth score affects your lives. All right. Now, here I am at my home and you can see that this vehicle here, the Saturn, is actually my first vehicle after I was homeless. And this car, because my credit was so bad, I had to pay cash for it. I keep it and I still drive it now because it reminds me that I must be humble and grateful. Now this Porsche behind me, I purchased this when I had about a 735 credit score. All right. Didn't have to put down any money, show any docs. Everything was approved instantly. But when I went to buy this car, in between the car that you just saw, the Saturn, and the Porsche, I also bought a Lamborghini. Now, when I went to buy this car, which is a Rolls Royce, guess what happened? An interesting thing happened where my credit score was an 800 and the banks knew that I had the income because the payment on the Lamborghini was actually the same amount as the payment on the Rolls Royce. But guess what? The bankers asked that I put up 3 bank statements and 2 years tax returns. Why would they do that? Because the Rolls Royce symbolizes wealth. All right, and that car actually is a car that people respect as someone who's arrived or who's thriving or who's wealthy. Now let me read to you something that Rolls Royce said to me when they declined me because I would not put down or put up my bank statements. They sent me a letter and they said, our credit decision was based in whole or in part on information obtained from an affiliate, or from an outside source other than a credit reporting agency. Who are the affiliates and the outside sources other than credit reporting agencies? They are the consumer files. All right, at a certain level of credit or liability, banks and financial institutions consult outside sources or affiliates outside of your credit reports. This is another actionable tip that you can take, which is contact the bank or the financial institution and ask them, who are your affiliates and your outside sources that you're consulting about me in the adverse action you took against me? By law, they're required to tell you. That's another actionable tip for you with regards to the wealth score system.